Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's nothing to do with fishing this one. This is basically rabbit controlling. Some people might find it offensive, and other people, if you do find it offensive, please stop watching now. Right, for them who are interested, this is called a loop snare. The law states that they have to be, so they can tighten up, but they're also loosen off at the same time. Which a loop snare is perfect for that, as you can see. So basically for the rabbit, you want it so it goes over your fist like that, and obviously it will come back on itself, and it will shut. So once it's dispatched, the rabbit, it will just ping off once it stops struggling. So I'm going to show you how you make these. I love rabbit snaring. I don't go very often. When I do go, I let the landowner know that I'm going up there. Most people leave them out overnight. I don't. I leave them out for maybe 2 or 3 hours. I'll go up just as it's getting dark, put them in the runs, and then I only have 30. And on top of the fence, if I put them on top of the fence line, this one here is for a peg. As you can see, the red tags are for the peg ones. Don't tend to do them as much. Tend to put them on the fence lines. It's less aggro. Just in the square fences, the mesh fence, just hang it down. Like one of these ones here. Yeah, like one of these ones here. Just hang it down, literally. So it's just one piece of wire twizzled through. Put it through the eyelet. You got your loop snare. Just sort it out where you want it. Wrap it on the fence, and that does the job. But the law is, do not leave your rabbit snares for a long period of time. Personally, I like to say I do mine for 2 or 3 hours, and I go up, and on top of the fences, on the top of where the snares is. So if the snares here in the grass, so if the snares sat like that in the grass, and then above it on the fence, I'll have a piece of lime green netting, as you can see, for the purse nets on the top, so I can see where all my snares are, and I count them all in and I count them all back out. But yeah, I think it's different counties have different laws on it, and you're not allowed to put them out in the summertime between 9 during the day. I was having a quick read of them before, and I forget what I was going to say about them, but never mind. If you're unsure about the local bylaws for the snaring, please go and have a look. If that's what you want to do, you need landowner's permission, and stuff like that. So right, on the snare, we've got some eyelets here. But in my snaring bag, I'll have my snares, a hammer, a good pair of pliers. So right, so there's the eyelet there. Now, this is snaring wire. You can find it on eBay, and as you can see, I've made a lot of snares. I used to sell them on eBay. If you received any of my snares, I'm glad you enjoyed them. So I like to pull them out the length of my arms and give it a chop off. I just like to keep folding them up. So that there will just snap if you just do a single one as it is. Just springy, that's big springy. So yeah, just fold them up as so. Been a while since I've made any, to be honest. Level them up there. And fold them up again. got to remove truth, so it's some grip. There, so then got these sides matched up here. That's 4 strands, that's strong enough for anything. In them there, you get your eyelet, your roller, you pull that over that, like so. Just give that a couple of twists, just to lock it in. Oh, that one doesn't, never mind. It's a different one. So that's locked in there now, perfect. What you do is, you pull them down tight, nice and tight, right the way down to the ends. On there. You can fold them just like that, but I like to just nip that edge in. As you can see there, it's very, very strong when it's together. I used to make so many snares and sell them on eBay. You have no idea how many people will buy snares. It's actually unbelievable. So right, I've got that there now. As you can see, that's nice and thick, 4 strands. Bring the drill up. Into them. And basically, hold the end there. If them in tight enough. It's a bit harder on recording, to be honest. No Blue Peter yet. Pull them back straight again. There we go. Give them a bit of a twist. Right. That's nice and tight, nice and taut. Right. What can I use to hold that in there? Will that work? Screw. Yes. Put a screw in. Basically, watch this tighten up. And there you go. 4 strands made into one. Yep. Basically, if you buy yourself a pack of pack of sliding rings, you'll see one side is bigger than the other. So basically, that's for the slider. So it's more chamfered on there than that side. That's more blunt. So you put it through that way, it won't slide forwards or backwards. It won't release. You put them in, so it's on the chamfer bit on there. It's like so. Give it a squash. And there you go. See, forward and back, no bother. Spring off. Push at the bottom, nice and tight. It'll hold in tight. And it will also, no pressure, just come back round. Then you can tie that to a fence or whatever you want to tie it to. Or you can put a loop in, like that there, and tie it on itself to go on a peg. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember, check your bylaws out first before you even think about doing this. See if you're allowed to do it in your area. But But yeah, it's basically great rabbit control. But like I say, I go out for a few hours, put them out. Sometimes I've done half an hour, sit at the top of the field playing on my phone, playing Vikings, and then I'm sorted. I'll just walk down whistling, you can hear them running into the fence.